kids. My name is Yashvisha. Many of you must know me, and for many I might be unknown. ઘણા બધા લોકો મને ઓળખતા હશે અને ઘણા માટે ખબર નથી કે આ સ્ક્રીનમાં આજે કોણ આવી ગયું છે. So I am Yashvisha. મારું નામ યશવીશા છે અને તમારા મેથ્સના થોડા ટોપિક્સ હું તમને શીખવાડવા માટે આવેલી છું. I know that you have properly learned chapter number 1, that is numbers up to 100. Chapter number 1 જે તમારું છે એ તમે બહુ જ સરસ રીતે ભણી લીધું છે તે મને ખબર છે. But one conclusion, one revision is very much necessary, and today we would give the conclusion of chapter number 1, that is we will revise the complete chapter. In chapter number 1, Ami ma'am has taught you about place value and face value. Please note down the pronunciation, કઈ રીતે બોલાય છે. Place value, face value. Place value, face value. આ બંને શબ્દો બોલવામાં ક્યાંક નજીક છે. These two words are quite similar in speaking. So please be very careful when you say these words. Place value and face value. Okay. So place value એટલે શું થાય? What do you mean by place value? Place value means value, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુનું મૂલ્યાંકન, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુનું વેલ્યુ, એનું વજન કેટલું છે એ વસ્તુ નક્કી થાય છે. Value is being decided because of the place. Value is being decided because of the position. Value due to position. Any number, if I talk about any number, if I talk about for example 64, then the value of 4 is not because of what 4 is. It's because of where 4 is. I will strive, we need to start from right to left. આ right થાય બધાનું, બધા માટે તમે જોવો તો સ્ક્રીનમાં આ right થાય. તો રાઈટ માટે આ વસ્તુ અહીંયાથી you need to start, પછી એક સ્ટેપ આગળ વધવાનું, then this, એક સ્ટેપ હજી આગળ વધીને this. આ તરફ તમારે કોઈ પણ નંબરમાં આવવાનું છે. આપણે નંબર લખતા કઈ રીતે હોય? we write numbers from left to right. 64, 84, 78 પહેલા આપણે લેફ્ટમાં લખીએ અને પછી right માં લખીએ. First we tend to write on the left, then we tend to write on the right. But here for counting the place value we need to start from right, from the last digit. Now if I talk about the last digit, then the last digit is known as ones. It has the value of ones. The next one, the second digit from the right. In 64, 4 becomes ones, 6 becomes tens. Tens means into 10. You know, when 10 ones accumulate, they make 1 tens. I will show you what am I trying to say. If I have 10 balls, if I have 10 balls, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 ones. These whole combine and become 1 tens. Tens मतलब 1 0. एक बार tens આવી જાય, જ્યારે અહીંયા 10 times ones આવ્યું, કેટલી વાર? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times ones. And here 1 time tens. 10 times ones kyo કે 1 time tens kyo બંનેનો મતલબ સેમ જ થાય છે. So when I talk about place value, it is you need to start from right and then you need to move ahead to the left. The last digit is known as ones, then tens, and then hundreds. Now our chapter is number up to hundreds. So 100 would be a 3-digit number. 0 would be, this 0 is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Is everyone clear? Ones, tens, hundreds. We need to start from the right and slowly move towards the left. Everyone is clear for this? Now when you think of the lectures, which lectures we have learned previously, which lectures we have learned from the Ami madam, so in those lectures madam has very well explained what is ones, tens and hundreds. Now with the concept of place value comes the expanded form. Now if I give you the number 54, then this is ones. We need to start from the right. So rightmost digit is 4 and 4 is ones, and then 5 becomes tens. Yes. Now when I talk about expanded form, then what we need to do? We need to calculate this and this. 5 here, tens. 5 is tens into 10. Pachi between two digits we need to add 4 into ones. 5 tens are 50 plus 4 ones are 4, and then it becomes 54. So this is the expanded form which we have learned very much clearly. Now if I talk about the face value, then face value is the actual value, the value on the face. Here position doesn't matter. No matter number is in which position, but the face value remains the same. If I take the number 79, then the face value of 9 remains 9. The face value of 7 remains 7. But if I talk about the place value, then place value of 9 remains 9. Place value of 7 becomes 70 because it is in the position of tens. Am I very much clear with all the three concepts? Face value, place value and expanded form. Now all these concepts are going to be covered in the worksheet given. So you need to do that. Now let's move ahead to the another concepts. So our another concept is about comparison. You people have very well learned the greater than and the lesser than signs. While madam was teaching, she might have used the words like alligator's mouth, crocodile's mouth opens at a place where we could get what? Where we can see the greater thing. Now for example, an alligator or a crocodile is in the pond, and when he sees some big hunt, he opens his mouth. He always opens his mouth towards the bigger thing, towards the greater thing. Similarly, the greater than and the lesser than signs opens its mouth towards the greater thing. So, in comparison of a single digit numbers, which are single digit numbers? 1 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are known as single digits numbers. And more digits, more than 1, that starts from 10 and they are till infinite. 10, 11, 36, 45, 88, 100. Any number comes in more digits. So, in comparison of single digit, more digit numbers are greater. In comparison of 6, 26 is greater. In comparison of 5, 575 is greater. In comparison of 8, 18 is greater. Whichever side is greater, alligator will open its mouth towards the same side. 18, 575 or 26. This is a comparison between single digit and more digits. Now you will like to ask me, madam, what if the digits are same? So same number of digits. We also learned that. Now we write digits from left. We write from left. If I want to write 17, I write it from left. So here, to find the comparison, to get to know which number is greater, we need to start from the left itself. We need to start from the left itself and we need to check that which number is greater. The first digit which we wrote 1, that is what we need to check. For example, in 74 and 96, which is the first digit we write? We are going to write 7 and we are going to write 9. So, 7 is bigger or 9 is bigger? Tell me fast. Think about it. Alligator will open its mouth towards 7 or towards 9. Yes, you might have guessed it correct. The bigger number is number 9. So here the alligator's mouth will be opening this side. We don't need to check the last digits if the first digits are different. Next example. First what we write? We write here 8 and we write here 3. Which is bigger? 8 or 3? 8 or 3? Think fast. Yes. 8 is bigger. Hence the alligator will try to eat 89 and will leave 33. Next comes 46 and 49. 4 and 4. Now the confusion arises when both the numbers are same. What we have to do? Yes, here comes the trick. Then we need to move ahead to the another number. Here it is 6, here it is 9. 6 is greater or 9 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. Hence the alligator will open its mouth towards 9 and eat the 49. So, if the first digit is different, then we don't need to go to the second digit. अगर पहलो जी digit છે એ અલગ છે તો આપણે second digit તરફ જવાનું થાતું નથી. But અગર એ નથી, then we need to check the second digit and make our decision. After this, we learn about order of the numbers. Now there are two kinds of numbers, ascending and descending. I want you all to speak loudly with me. Ascending, descending, ascending, descending. And with speaking, I want you to do an action. Ascending, descending, ascending, descending, ascending, descending, descending, ascending. So, with my actions, you might come to know. ascending is bigger numbers, whereas descending is coming down. Descendings are gonna be the smaller numbers. When I talk about ascending or when I talk about numbers, let's see this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I compare 1 and 2, alligator will open its mouth towards 1 or towards 2? Of course, it will open its mouth towards 2. 2 and 3, which one is bigger? 3. 3 and 4, alligator will eat 4. 4 and 5, alligator will eat 5. 5 and 6, alligator will eat 6. Similarly, if I talk about the numbers given below, then 6 and 16. Now we have seen this is a single digit number and this is a more digits number. So from 6 and 16, which one would be greater? More digit numbers. So 16 would be the greater and alligator will eat 16. From 16 and 36, we need to start to count which number first? The first one which we like. 1 or 3? Which one is greater? 3. Yes. 3 or 8? Which one is greater? Yes. 8. 8 and 9. Which one is greater? 9. I would also like to add one more after this. That is 92. Now if I want to have the comparison between these two, 90 and 92, how will I find? We need to check the first digit, that is 9 and 9. First digit is same. Then we need to go towards the another digit. 0 and 2. 0 is greater or 2 is greater? Of course, 2 is greater and alligator will open its mouth towards 92. This is what we call ascending order. Slowly and gradually numbers are growing. One after another numbers are growing. And in comparison, descending order is opposite. Slowly numbers will start to reduce. 12 or 11, which one is greater? 12. 11 or 10? 11. 10 or 9? 10. 9 or 8? 9. Here the numbers are decreasing. Let's look at the another example. 88 or 70, which one would be the greater? We need to check. 8 or 7? 8. Yes. 7 or 6? 7. Yes. 6 or 3? 6. Yes. 3 or 1? 3. Yes. So this is descending, like the action we did. Descending. Descending will decrease. It will slow down. It will get smaller number by number. Descending માં number by number છે તે digit છે તે નાના થતા જાય અને ascending માં number by number digit છે તે મોટા થતા જાય. So here we are done with the concept of comparison and orders. Now let's look at another concepts. So after place value, face value, expanded form, comparison, ascending order, descending order, now we are gonna learn ordinal numbers. Repeat after me. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal number, ordinal word is from order. Order. Now it is not the order which we give to someone. If I am asking you to do something, that is order. I am giving you an order. They are not talking about that order. Here they are talking about the order, the sequence. Now think of an example where you have gone in your favorite cricket match or your favorite football or whichever game you like, or if you want like running, then you have gone at the 500-meter race and anything and everything, and there you won second prize or your team won second prize, then what is that second? That is an order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, that are orders. Order says that at which place you stand. If I talk about one would have ST and it will become first. I have kept a space, but an actual space does not exist. It is just to separate the last words. First position. Then comes second. In second we add ND. Second. In 3 we add RD. Third. In 4 we add TH. Fourth. So here you need to make very sure that after third we will always add TH. In first, in 1 we add ST. In second we add ND. In 3 we add RD. 1 ST, 2 ND, 3 RD. Clear? 1 plus ST becomes first. 2 plus ND becomes second. 3 plus RD becomes third. Then comes fourth. The spelling of 4 and then TH. Fifth. The spelling of FIF. You don't have to write fifth like this. No, that is wrong. FIF TH. SIX 6 TH. SEVEN 7 TH. Seventh. 8. Now 8 in the spelling of 8. EIGHT. Last comes T. Here also comes T. So instead of 2 T's, we are only gonna write 1 T and make it EIGHTH. 8. Then 9. We are not gonna write E. It would be NINTH. Ninth. And then TENTH. Tenth. Okay. Once I will repeat the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10 and then you have to repeat with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Perfect. Now I will also speak and you have to also speak. Come, let's speak it loudly. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Very good. So here we are done with the topic of ordinal numbers. Now let's move ahead to another concept. So kids, now we are gonna learn even numbers and odd numbers with an example. Now a group of friends are going for a picnic. Let's say friend number 1, friend number 2, friend number 3, friend number 4, friend number 5, friend number 6, friend number 7 and friend number 8. All of them are going to picnic together. Now teacher said, for the picnic you need to sit in the group of 2, pair of 2. They both paired. This and this paired. This and this paired. Perfect pairs? Perfect. So this becomes a even number. Even number is something કે જેની બે ની આપણે પેર કરીએ તો પરફેક્ટ પેર થઈ જાય. નાવ જેવી રીતે 8 લોકો પિકનિકમાં ગયા હતા એવી રીતે લેટ્સ સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 9 ફ્રેન્ડ્સ આર ગોઈંગ ટુ પિકનિક. કેટલા ફ્રેન્ડ્સ જાય છે હવે? 9 ફ્રેન્ડ્સ જાય છે. સો ટીચરે પાછું કીધું. ટીચર ટોલ્ડ અગેન પેર ઓફ 2. They both paired. They both paired. They both paired. They both paired. But this child remained alone. Then this becomes odd number. When we try to pair 2, 2, 2, 2 and something remains, something is left, that is known as odd number. Where pair of 2 is not possible, make sure that you don't have to make more pairs. You cannot make pair of 3. You have to compulsorily make pair of 2. Now for the simple understanding, let's revise that the even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place, and the odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so I will tell you a trick. Every number is even or odd. એની પછીનો નંબર છે ને એનું ઓપોઝિટ જ થઈ જાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઇફ આઈ ટોક અબાઉટ 4, તો 4 ઇઝ ઇવન. 4 ની પછી શું આવે? 5. તો 5 શું થઈ જશે? ઓડ. કોઈ પણ નંબર છે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ હું વાત કરું છું 68ની, તો તમારે આગળ ગમે એટલા ડિજિટ હોય એનાથી કોઈ મતલબ છે નહીં. લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ આપણે એને જોવાનો છે. અગર એ લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ 0, 2, 4, 6, 8માંથી હોય તો 68 શું થઈ જશે? ઇવન. 8, 8 તો 68 શું થઈ જશે? ઇવન. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ હું મોટો એવો ડિજિટ આપું છું 1, 4, 9, 6, 7, 5, 4. આવડો મોટો ડિજિટ પણ બોલતાય વાર લાગે, તો ઈ ઓડ છે કે ઇવન છે કઈ રીતે ખબર પડશે? લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ થ્રુ. લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ શું છે? 4. 4 અહીંયા છે કે અહીંયા? અહીંયા. then it becomes even. સો તમારે આ વસ્તુ યાદ રાખવાની છે. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 even. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 odd. એક આપણે નાની એવી ટ્રીક બી જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. ઇવન. ઇવન શબ્દ છે એમાં કેટલા શબ્દો લેટર્સ છે? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 લેટર્સ છે. તો 4 છે એ ક્યાં આવશે? ઇવનમાં. અને ઓડ 1, 2, 3. તો 3 છે એ ક્યાં આવે છે? ઓડમાં. પછી આપણે જે રીતે કીધું કે એક નંબર ઇવન હોય તો બીજો ઓડ થવાનો છે. તો આપણે આમાંથી ખબર પડી કે ઇવનમાં 4 છે તો 4 ઇવન નંબર છે. 4 પછી શું આવે? 5. તો 5 શું થઈ જશે? ઓડ. 5 પછી શું આવે? 6. 6 શું થઈ જશે? ઇવન. આ રીતે તમે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકો છો. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ વે યુ કેન calculate, but make sure that you are making pair of 2, not more. So kids, here we come to the end of this video and end of chapter number 1, that is number up to 100. We have clearly understood every topic in through video and lastly in this conclusion video. Let's just recap what we have done. We have learned about place value, expanded form, face value, comparison, ascending, descending, ordinal numbers, odd and even numbers. So here we complete our chapter number 1, and with this video you are provided a chapter and worksheet which you need to do. So all the best for the chapter and worksheet, and also if you have any doubts in this chapter, we will discuss it in the live lecture. Till then, take care.